Hi you guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my Empath Survival Guide video today. For those of you who guys don't know, I am a author on Amazon. I write ebooks, and one of them is Empath Survival Guide. Sorry, I've been sick, you guys. So I wanted to get a little bit of information on how you can survive being an empath, but the ebook is in way more detail. So with that being said, for those of you who don't know, empaths are basically highly sensitive people who basically act as filters in the world to transmute low vibrational energy, pains, suffering, wounds like that. And sometimes I get stuck in our energy and we don't know, we can't decipher who's who, things like that sometimes, and we need to know how to clear and ground ourselves and stay sane. But something I touch on in my ebook is, you know, not looking as being an empath as a victim, more so trying to use it as empowerment. So with that being said, I always like to believe that if we didn't have empaths in the world, then the world would be more chaotic, because if people wasn't sensitive, couldn't feel what other people feel, you know, there would be more lack of empathy and things like that. So that being said, and you got to learn how to channel your gift for something good. So alchemy, channeling it into tarot readings, healing others, helping others, things like that. So the first thing is nature. Nature is vital for survival. Nature is going to be vital for your health, your mental health, because usually what I like to do is get out in the grass, take off my shoes, walk in the grass, or meditate in the grass. So what this does is basically recharges you, and you do that for however long you feel like you need. Usually it's like 30 minutes to an hour that I sit in the grass, and usually it literally feels like how sensitive depending on how sensitive you are, it feels like you're recharging, literally. Now, water is a good element. Empaths usually need all elements to feel sane, meaning sun, water, fresh air, meditation, things like that. It's just vital for us to be connected to the earth. So more often than not, you want to detach from your phones. You want to detach from people. You want to detach from all this the crazy world that we live in to be sane. Some empaths don't know that we operate from our sacral chakra a lot. So all our intuition, all the telepathy, all these gifts sometimes come through that feeling center. Because we're so sensitive, the sacral chakra has to do with feeling and the world and passion and all that stuff. So that energy center needs to be worked on and cleared often. And then that has to do with water. That element, that chakra works with water a lot. Let's see. Solitude. Again, solitude is very vital for survival. Meaning, it's not a coincidence that a lot of empaths are introverts by nature. Because we need to recharge. We process so many things and stuff like that. Sage is a good one. Now, depending on your beliefs, some people fuck with sage, some people don't. But sage has been a lifesaver for me as far as my aura and emptying out people's energy that isn't mine. Meditation is vital too. It's going to give you peace of mind, help you actually learn how to use your gifts. Depending on how sensitive you are, it helps you differentiate your energy and everyone else's energy when you learn how to bring peace of mind into the picture. But yeah, those are just a few things. But again, my ebook includes way more things. And plus, it's always just a good reference to have. So I'm going to put the link below, and you guys just enjoy. And I also have other ebooks down below. And I'm also giving readings, Skype sessions, ask me questions about third eye, whatever. But yeah, be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.